Have you ever had an experience in your life that was really scary?
He promised her at home, "Don't worry, I'm coming back and we'll get married." But he got so fed up that he ended up taking his own life, so that's how he died. And after that, his soul, his spirit has been lingering around this girl ever since.
Based on your experience, tell our audience if you've ever had such a frightening experience in your life so that people can understand that soul connections are indeed sent into your karmic life.
I was doing a PLR, past life regression session for a person. Actually, I've done PLR for a lot of people, almost around 40,000 in total. In a single day, we conduct about 7 to 8 PLR sessions, and sometimes it even goes up to 10 or 12. We've been doing this for almost 67 years now, consistently and continuously, so the numbers are quite significant, sometimes even more than usual. So it's a pretty good number. Plus, we have team members as well. We work together. There are 56 of us, so based on that, with one person, we had them share their problem. Whenever the topic of my marriage comes up, some kind of obstacle arises that just can't be explained. There's no way to account for it. She said that, for example, whenever someone was coming to see her for marriage, something would happen, like the car tire would get punctured, they'd get stuck on the way, or some really basic thing would go wrong, or the girl herself would fall ill. Some incident would occur that no matter what, no one could actually reach me. First of all, if by mistake someone did manage to reach, then either it wouldn't work out right away, or even if things progressed for a few days, it would eventually fall through. He said, at the very least, more than 25 people have already rejected me so far, all different ones. What is my problem? What is the issue? Now, when we looked into his past, we found out that in his past life, this person was the son of a moneylender, and he had fallen in love with a girl. With that girl, I mean, they made all sorts of promises to each other, vows to live and die together, and so on and so forth. All those grand declarations we all hear about. There were such stories, really big ones. When the time came, her father sent him out of town for some business for a while, so he promised her before leaving, "Don't worry." He said, "I'll come back and then we'll get married," and so on. So he left home after making all those promises, and in another city, he started some business or something like that. Some time passed, and after that, with all the business and everything, this girl's reputation in society was so tarnished that many people scolded her. That's how it was. I mean, they hadn't even gotten married yet. So her reputation in society got even worse because he was the son of someone important, everyone knew him, and because of that, she was blamed for everything. In the end, she found out that he was going to get married over there. He went there and got married. And this poor girl kept waiting for him, thinking he would come back and they would get married. After enduring all this disgrace, when she was completely fed up, she ended up taking her own life. So that's how she died. After that, her soul, her spirit, has been wandering around this man ever since.
Okay.
Since then, around this man, and just think about it, this is conscious awareness. The consciousness out of a sense of revenge, thinking, I love this man so much. Her energy was lingering around him. Now, whether you believe in such things or not, that's up to you. People can think however they want. But the main point is, what was the consciousness attached to? At the time of her death, she had only one thought, that he would come back to her. And when he didn't come, she found out that, well, he had actually gotten married. Her soul was filled with a sense of revenge. I waited for you, and I died. And here you are, living your happy life after getting married over there. I won't let you go, not in any lifetime. So ever since then, he said that after that there have been 2 more lifetimes, and in both of them she didn't let him get married.
Oh, really?
After that there have been 2 more lifetimes, and in both she didn't let him get married. This is the 3rd lifetime, and even in this one, that girl's energy is around him, and no matter what happens, she doesn't let any marriage proposal go through.
So, sir, this can't be fixed? 2 lifetimes have already passed. So,
now look, as for fixing it, this person must have done some good deeds somewhere, which is why he found his way to us, found a path here. Now just look at what's happening. He's not getting married. He's been rejected so many times. It just keeps happening again and again. And these kinds of things, obstacles, just keep coming up. So now we told him, first of all, you need to apologize to this soul, whether you can see her or not, but she can see you. She knows you. So just a little bit of crying and pleading won't do. You have to cry from your heart, beg her for forgiveness again and again, because you caused her a lot of pain. Her suffering and her cries, literally, when she was about to become our pillar, her crying and wailing meant she was deeply troubled. She shed so many tears. Even at that time, from that 16, we kept getting messages that she was not ready to forgive me because she had been enduring this pain for lifetimes, and in the end, she just couldn't take it anymore. We told her about the 41-day process, that she should constantly ask for forgiveness, keep asking for forgiveness, and pray to Lord Shiva. In that life, Lord Shiva. In this life, she believes in Lord Shiva. For 41 days, she kept praying for forgiveness, saying, "Through my thoughts, words, and actions, I have caused you a lot of pain. Please forgive me, please forgive me." She would spend 20 to 25 minutes a day just on this, chanting, and as she chanted, Om, Lord Shiva would come, and only then. After about 40 or 45 days had passed, one day she felt a lightness, as if some burden was being lifted from her mind and some light was moving away from her. That was the shadow, that was the light, that was the soul, and from there it was released. She forgave it, let it go, pardoned it, and then we offered a prayer. All we can say is, accept your responsibility, don't run away, you can't run away. When she accepted it and then asked for forgiveness, that soul forgave her. As soon as it was released and left, she fell asleep. After this, her life started moving on a completely different track. In this, she realized her own mistake. For the first time, from that day onwards, he began to respect women. His attitude completely changed, and then gradually, after about a year and a half, his problems were resolved and he eventually got married. This is an old incident. It's been 34 years since then, but I'm sharing this to show what the real problem was. This incident shook all of us. It's at a very deep level. So the point is, whatever actions a person takes, they should do so thoughtfully.